The weaker that your hip flexors are, the less control you'll have over your leg in your running stride, and the more injuries you'll get when you run. So I first learned this movement from seeing Usain Bolt do them in his training. I then learned that elite level runners like him have up to 50% bigger hip flexor muscles than the average runner. And after years of extensively testing on myself and many others, it's proven that this is one of the best ways to prevent hip injuries when running. That then led us to developing the goal of 20 reps with 10% of your body weight loaded, which is now our target in the Targets program. To set up, start by attaching weight to your foot. I prefer the monkey foot because it clamps onto any dumbbell that you use. From there, just choose a weight that allows you to get your knee above your hip on every rep with your back leg completely straight. I like this setup the most because it allows you to train to complete failure without the risk of injuring, because if you burn out, you can still try and pick up your leg, you just won't be able to pick it up as high. So start with 20 reps on one side. Then rest and do the same on the other side. And if you hit 20 reps on both sides with your knee above your hip level on every rep, then next week you can increase the weight. For this one, I would like to see your form for coaching, so make sure to send in a video using the camera icon on the program. And remember that this is built on 8 weeks in the Unlock program first, building the ability to pick up our leg with just our body weight, which is a lot harder than it looks. And we're working on improving range of motion through our hip flexor, working towards getting our knee against the wall, which anyone can start by just moving their knee a little bit further to get into it. But the most important part here is that you're showing up every week and getting your hip flexor work in, because it is so easy to get above what's normal and build hip flexors that don't hurt you when you run.